Alright, so next you're going to take these two and fold them to the center here. And then this one to the center too. Alright, so next you're going to take it and fold it up like this. So it should look like this right now. And you're just going to take this edge right here and fold it in like this. Kind of like a triangle. And then you're going to open it up and push the triangle inside. So when you fold it up, it will be inside. Alright, so now you're going to open that back up, and you're going to take this edge right here and fold it to the middle. And the same thing with the other edge. So they should both be at the middle, like that. And then you're going to take it like this and push the triangle inside again, so it folds up like this. Then you're going to take one of the wings and you're just going to fold it right here and just make a straight line. So this should be showing right here, this little triangle. And you're just going to line up the same thing to the other side. Next, you're going to take this little flap right here and you're just going to fold it up as far as it can go on that line. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And then when you open it up, have something like this, and you're finished. So as always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.